another vlog. I'm currently in the airport in a bathroom that hopefully nobody walks into, but I am on my way to Phoenix because I am speaking at a workshop that my friend Preston is hosting. It's 5 a.m. I am so tired. I kind of thought that I was gonna die in Uber this morning, but we made it. So yeah, my flight leaves in about 30 minutes. So when we get there, I am meeting my friend Lindsay, and then we are meeting up with our 2 other friends, and all 4 of us are splitting an Airbnb. So yeah, we're really excited. Got some food, got a little chai. So yeah, let's go take this flight and see where it takes us. Oh, also the thing about the Uber, my Uber was like swerving all over the road this morning and like taking turns and just like driving on the curb for so long. I was terrified, and then they kept like acting like they were like looking for something in the passenger seat. I think they were probably looking for something, but it just like really freaked me out. And I've never like left a bad rating on Uber before, but I gave them 4 stars. So it is what it is, but I was genuinely terrified for my life. Sorry, I don't know you. It's my vlog. Say hi. Hey, vlog. Wait, where's Megan? Hi. Alright guys, we're in the Dutch Bros drive-thru right now. This is Alex.
Hi.
Lindsay. It's Alex's first time at Dutch Bros.
Yes.
Last time I went to Dutch Bros, I didn't really like it.
Oh.
Yeah. So.
Preston's obsessed with it.
Yeah. We'll see. The lady that was in the drive-thru was really nice.
It was great. I got the Eagle something.
Golden Eagle.
That's what he yelled out the window to get.
I was talking to someone, they told me to get the Red Bull, like that was their favorite drink, the Red Bull whatever, but it just seems like a lot of caffeine.
Well, I'll let you know.
Shaking. No, I know, that's what I'm afraid, yeah, is I'm gonna be shaking.
I might be shaking in my boots here, so.
Okay, trying out our Dutch Bros drinks.
Trying it. Cheers.
Cute. I already tried mine before this.
I did
good.
too.
What do you think, Alex?
It's so good. It's super sweet though.
Yeah.
Which like, that's what I was in the mood for today, so I feel like it hits, but on a different day, I feel like I'd be like, too sweet. You know?
This is refreshing, which is what I wanted.
I got a blended chai. Honestly, it's good. It tastes like a blended chai.
This is Red Bull, peach, coconut.
Can I try it?
Yeah, and green tea. I think you'll like it. No?
I don't think I like Red Bull.
No thanks.
1, go. I thought we had 2 steps. What are you doing? I don't think I actually.
I would not look like I'm not kidding.
Okay. Not that one. Yeah. Need somebody to take a picture of me so I can post it on
Yes, it's so nervous.
Okay.
Right here. Holding your hand.
Please.
Megan has a glove on.
No, where did you find that?
Hey.
Ooh.
No, she was here. This is.
Yeah, this is literally. I think this is
This
mine.
is not him.
Hi, Megan. Yeah.
Meg Ham.
Megan.
Okay, Preston has given us a job. We are recreating this. So this is what Brandon Wolfel did, like the hanging light and the fabric. So behind me is Alex, and then there's also this like little white thing. So we're gonna have to recreate it. Are you helping us too?
He didn't really give me a job, so I'm just here.
Okay. You're just like comedic relief.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay. Oh wow. Wait, it actually looks cute, like with the light.
And we all fall down.
All right, peek out. Cute. Wow.
Another Octa buddy. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my club content PR.
Beautiful.
Thank you, Preston Luke.
Thank you, Preston Luke.
This is actually
What is that?
It's to put SD cards.
Cute.
For me too, like I don't always have access to pieces or something.
Hi. Okay guys, we are at Swig. We ordered, how many drinks did we order? 8 drinks. And we got pretzel bites too.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4. I think we got 6 or 7 drinks.
Yeah.
We drove
So good.
25 minutes out of the way to come to Swig.
I have to do it.
I'm in the car with Lindsay. Yeah. So, thank you.
And then here's your last.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good day, guys.
Thanks, you too. Yay! All right, I got asked to model tonight, so this is what I whipped together for the shoot. Drinking a little cherry slush Alani, a little mini. And we're currently at Papago Park, and it is so pretty. Like literally just like trees, palm trees everywhere. It's so pretty. So this is the park. It's so pretty. It's like this little like river. Yeah.
I got a picture.
Show them the fit, Linz. Show them the
Fit
fit.
check.
This is Megan's skirt.
Love.
Good morning, guys. Today is the last day of club content. I am currently in my speaker outfit because today I am speaking and I am just a little bit nervous, but not too bad. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Okay, so I am wearing this little like blazer dress. I got this from a brand called Lioness. And then let me show you my shoes. So of course we need to document. I'm wearing heels. I just went and sat in a coffee shop for a little bit and got a drink. I basically just wanted to work on my presentation a little bit, but I'm going in right now to go speak. So wish me luck. Oh, also Preston is currently speaking, so I'm gonna go in and listen to him. He just started, so I'm gonna listen to his and then I'm speaking, so. I'm just like,
Yeah, it's very like minimalistic. Desert. It's this. It's a team effort.
oh, actually that's kind of cute. Oh, I like the shirt on. Hello, sir. What is your... It's really giving Haley Bieber.
Can I be Justin?
So much work.
You are stunning, Raven. Yeah, there you go. That's
hard to open.
I need to press the lock.